Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to increase visual memory on Windows 10. So if you want to actually increase your visual memory on Windows 10, this guide is for you. So first thing you have to do is you have to click on the search bar, and you're going to search for adjust the appearance right here. So once you open up the tab, you go straight to advanced right here. Click on advanced and you're going to see under visual memory you see change. Click on change and make sure you toggle this off, right? And you're going to see this. So once you see this, you're going to see costume size. Click on it and this box are going to be open. So how do you actually know the initial size? You go first of all to your settings information, right? You're going to open up your settings information and you're going to see under installed physical RAM right there. So mine is 8 gig. So if yours is 24 gig, just bear that in mind, right? You close this up and you open up your calculator to actually calculate. So first thing you have to do is your installed physical RAM is what you're supposed to type in here. So if yours is 24, you can impute 24. So mine is 8. So I'll do 8 times, and I'm going to do 1024 and put on equal to. And once you do on equal to, you click on times 1.5 and you get this. So this is your initial, this is what you're going to fill in your initial. So you click on copy and close up the calculator, and this is what you're going to actually insert in your initial size. So I'm just going to impute that. So how are you going to get your maximum size? You still open up your calculator again and clear this up, and you're going to impute your RAM again, which is 8 gig, and you're going to times it by 1024, and once you get this, you're going to times it by 3. So I'm just going to type it by 3 multiplied by 3 and click on equal to. So this is it. You copy it as well, copy and close up your calculator, and you're going to impute it right here. So once you impute it right here, you're going to see set, and once you see set, you click on set and you click on OK. So once you click on OK, you're going to click on OK again, and you're going to actually restart your system. So once you insert your system, you are good to go. So this is literally how to increase your visual memory on Windows 10. If you find this guide helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more input tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.